K2A, I miss you guys. I just wanted to send you a video and tell you that I've been thinking about you every day and wondering what you guys have been doing. I have been staying busy, making sure that I am getting plenty of rest. I've been drawing a lot, coloring. I've been cleaning. I've been cooking, and I've been hanging out with Brode. So I actually wanted to bring you guys today on a walk with Brode and I, and he's actually right in front of me. We're on a trail near my house, so here he is. He's smelling everything. It's actually a pretty nice day. It was snowing earlier. Now it's not. He's just smelling things. I wanted to show you a few of his tricks that he does and how he listens so well when we're walking. So I had to bring some cookies with me. Oh, look, he's digging. Good boy. Hey. Look, he got me all dirty. So he's going to go ahead of me a little bit, and he's such a good boy that he knows that I'm going to tell him to wait, and he's going to wait for me. Brody, wait. Good boy. See how he looked back at me? Brody, come. Brody, come. 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 He has a lot of smells. I'm going to hold up a cookie to help him because it's been a while since we've gone on a walk. Brody, come. Brody, cookie. Come. Brody, come. Brody, come. Hey. See, sometimes he doesn't listen. Brody, come. You sit. Brody, sit. Hey. Brody, sit. Look. Sit. Say hi to the kids. Say hi, K2A. Hey, look at me. You want this cookie? Sit. Good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. All right, let's walk. Go ahead, let's walk. Really, really nice and cold out today, which helps to get some good deep breaths. Make sure that you guys are getting fresh air. If you have a dog, take them for a walk in your neighborhood. Go outside and do some exercise, listen to music, read a book outside. Nice out here, huh, Brode? You want to sit? You want to do a paw? Can I have a paw? Sit. Sit. Brody, sit. I think he smells something. Hey, Brode. Look. Can you sit? Sit. Brody, look. Brody. He's not listening. Sit. Brody, cookie. Brody, cookie. Sit. Sit. Brody, sit. He's probably confused why I'm videoing him. Brody, sit. Sit. Brody, sit. Sit. Ah, hey. Can you sit, please? I want to show our friends how you can do paw. Sit. Brode. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Sit, paw. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Here. Let's see if he can catch it. Ready? Oh, good boy. He got it. Good boy. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. What are you doing? He's very happy. He hasn't been outside a lot lately. Look at all these leaves. Wow, it looks like fall out here. Good boy, Brody. Let's see if he'll wait. Brody, wait. Brody, wait. Good boy. All right, friends. Well, Brode and I are going to keep going on our walk, but you're going to be seeing lots of videos from me, from Miss Gordon, from Miss Flynn, from Miss Steinberg. So send us an email back and let us know what you've been up to. Miss you guys. Love you. Bye.